Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So now guys, the ink has barely dried on the signing into being of the Amotekun security outfit for the Yoruba land, when the backlash is already coming thick and fast. The backlash, of course, is coming from the quarters that you'd expect it from, the northerners. So with that guys, I bring you this. Amotekun, AGF Malami has to guide against abuse of constitution, and this is according to the Arewa Consultative Forum. So that is the northern group, as you know. Amotekun, AGF Malami has to guide against abuse of constitution, and it's the Arewa Consultative Forum saying this. So now let's see now what the Malamis have to say. As anxiety spreads over the establishment of Amotekun, the Southwest security outfit, the Arewa Consultative Forum, ACF, has said that the Attorney General of the Federation, Abubakar Malami, has a task before him. So they are already calling to their own to try and put a stop to it. So now you now see now why they put all these people in all these places, of course to serve interest that is not Nigerian but is of theirs. So their interest paramount over the Nigerian interest, and it's that call now that they are making that look, we have to impose our will on these people, because we cannot have it be the case that there are guns in the southwestern parts of the country. In case there's a breakout of activity, we have to be able to overwhelm them quickly. This is really the signal. We continue. According to the group, Malami has a duty of protecting the Nigerian constitution and ensuring strict observance of its stipulations. Reacting to the establishment of the security outfit, the Secretary General of the ACF, Elder Anthony NZ Sani, said, however, that it was too early to speak on the move by the state governors, especially since there is no consensus on the modalities for the operation of the security outfit. Sani was quoted as saying, "All I can say is that the Southwest has decided to come together and live up to their synergetic potential against their collective challenges to security facing them and the nation. There is no harm in coming together against collective challenges for common good." Sani said the governors may have also received legal advice from the host of lawyers in the region concerning the issue, which some fear might amount to an abuse of the constitution. According to him, the Southwest is blessed with many constitutional lawyers that may have looked into the implementation of the security structure. So you can already see where that call is going, that look, this thing, is it going against the constitution or not? Malami, go and look at it too, because we don't think it's going with the constitution. No, where does the constitution facilitate for this? But where the checkmate is, of course, is where this guy has already acknowledged that all of the legal brains in the Nigerian structure, they are all in the Southwest. So there's nothing that Malami can say that this thing goes against the constitution, that one or two or if not 102,000 lawyers within the Southwest will not point him to the articles within the constitution to say, no, this is the enabling statute within the constitution that facilitates for this. So it's checkmate, of course, and of course this guy has rightly said that the Yoruba lawyers would have looked at the modalities of this to see how it weighs against the constitution before this thing had the go-ahead. Look at all of the states involved. Virtually all of the states in the western region are involved. Fayemi, Sanwo-Olu, Akeredolu, Seyi Makinde, etc. So these are not lightweight people, and these are not idiots. These are highly educated people with a champion mind. So of course all of the legal footing would have been looked at and firmed up before this thing was set up. But what this guy is really saying is, look, the same way that we did the constitution for certificate or no certificate for Buhari, if we are going to use any sort of psychedelic legal thing, we have to stop this. So we have to stop this, that this guy is effectively saying, because if you do not read that into his wordings, then maybe you need to sharpen your thinking more. We carry on. We carry on and he carries on. Similarly, it is in the place of the Attorney General and the Minister of Justice to guide and protect the observance of the Constitution. I am therefore sanguine that if the Southwest goes against the Constitution, there is a way to call them to order, Sani added. So clearly, the Northerners are not pleased with this. But then, of course, why are the Northerners not pleased with this is really where the question is. Because, of course, we all know what has been going on in Yoruba land for years and years now, where all these people just waylay in the highways and just brutalize and abuse and kidnap and kill and rape and pillage. So we've had this going on for too long, and the Nigerian state cannot obviously act to stop this. So the Yorubas then, of course, then have that obligation to step in to protect themselves. So now, how is the Yoruba people protecting themselves? A difficulty for this man is really where the question is. And that question, of course, is something that you'd have to discuss with me in the comment section. But before you do that, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. The bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then come tell me what you're making of what this guy is saying in the comment section. So I'll leave you here. Carry on with you in the comment section. But here I say peace.